Om Vam. Om Vam. Om Vam. Om Vam. So when we chant that, look at the power. We will be surprised when you look at the power of our breath. Look at the power. That power of breath feels us. Our own Shakti gets converted into Sankalpa Shakti. Along with the mantra sadhana, the whole power gets into Sankalpa Shakti. When you want something to be removed, unwanted things to be removed around you, Om Vam, Om Vam, Om Vam, Om Vam, then the whole atmosphere will be cleansed, including your own belly, where all the undesirable traits are there in your belly. And that is the horsepower of this Hayagriva. Hayagriva is nothing but a horse face, Vishnu with a horse face, giving you the power of your breath. By chanting, Vishnu comes with the help of the Divine Mother to make you chant this Om Vam. That is the whole process. The Bija mantra is only Om Vam. It is the same mantra which we also parallelly chant when we do the Kundalini Kriya. The Kundalini Kriya is also highlighted and activated when we remove all the undesirable traits, like what I have just now written to you, to make you understand the undesirable traits in yourself. This is the beauty of you and your life. By telling you a basic 3 examples. Look at how a stone floats in water. Look at how in certain parts of the country, how there is an anti-gravity force. Like that, when you chant Om Vam, automatically all that anti-gravity force comes established in you. So you will know. Look at how you will find certain sadhus, certain saints, they practice levitation. Why? Because that Om Vam Bija mantra is established. It's all they work anti-gravity. When Om Vam is expelled with an anti-gravity, then you will expel all the undesirable thoughts. With anti-gravity seen, with the anti-gravity formula, then you will completely conquer undesirable thoughts, attitudes, feelings, cravings, desires, temptations, doubt, suspicion, conflict, lack of faith and lack of confidence. Yeah, all this is pulling you down into that kind of a feeling. Your head is on the lower mind itself. You are working, your intellect is on the lower mind itself. When you say Om Vam, then your energy will be transformed. Because your bhavana, your feeling with the Divine Mother's grace, you will employ Hayagriva, who is the custodian guardian of all this. Vishnu, as the Rishi or as the Hayagriva, he is able to pull you up from all these undesirable traits with that horse power. you employ horsepower. That is the whole process of Om Vam, you yourself. From a 0 horsepower, now you have gone to the horsepower of infinity. That is the whole process of Vam. That is the beauty of Om Vam. That is why Mother told me very clearly, please write and tell to everybody, so that when you go back, listen, when you read the same things what has been told to you, when you regurgitate it inside your mind and in your heart, today you will have fresh memory, but tomorrow you will have only 50% memory. Day after tomorrow you will have only 25% memory. And after 4 or 5 days, the whole of this memory is lost. You will not know what I have told you other than a few tidbits. You will know Om Vam, but what is the undesirable traits you have? And all these undesirable traits are there in the stomach region, the Swadhisthana. ಎಲ್ಲ ಸ್ವಾಧಿಷ್ಠಾನದಲ್ಲೇ ಇರೋತಕ್ಕಂಥ ಎಲ್ಲ ಕ್ರೇವಿಂಗ್ಸು ಇದೆಲ್ಲ ಇರೋದು ಅದರಲ್ಲೇನೆ. You require horse as Hayagriva himself to pull you out of the doldrums of all this negative energy. That is the beauty of this. So let us just for a few minutes chant this mantra, Om Vam. Close your eyes and chant this mantra consciously, so that let that vibrations of this mantra gets established in your own psyche, so that you are able to relive the same vibrant energy deep inside you from your Swadhisthana.
Now we move on to the next Bija Mantra, Vam, for Swadhisthana Chakra.
Vam. Vam. Om Tat Sat Antabariri Shalini. We have finished our meditation and we have finished the message what Mother wanted us to convey and enjoy. We have conveyed Mother through our reverberation, inspiration and reverence, all the energy from her. That is why at this moment we say Om Tat Sat or Om Jagadamba Arpana Mastu. Just for a minute, be silent. Allow the energy to settle down inside your Swadhisthana and your soul. As we now continue to give the final oblations to the Divine Mother through Nevidya and Mangalarati with Kadgamala. Jai Mata. Om Tat Sat.
For more satsangs from Sri Sri Nimishananda Guruji, subscribe to this channel. Click the bell button below to get notifications. Like and share the video and spread the divine message.